we will discuss some problems of normal subgroups. AB belongs to R and a mapping TAB maps from R to R is defined by TAB of x equal to AX plus B, where x belongs to R, the set of real numbers. Let capital G equal to all such TAB such that A not equal to 0. Prove that Z comma naught is a group where naught is the composition of mappings. Let capital H equal to all such TAB such that A equal to 1. Prove that H is a normal subgroup of G. তার মানে G এর কালেকশনটা এখানে কি রকম দেওয়া আছে, ম্যাপিং এর কালেকশন অল সাচ টিএবি, যেখানে এটা নন জিরো এবং প্রুভ করতে হবে আমাকে G কমা নট ইজ আ গ্রুপ, এবং H এর কালেকশনটা কিরকম, সেই সমস্ত ম্যাপিং টিএবি যাতে করে A ইকুয়াল টু 1. সো প্রুভ দ্যাট H ইজ আ নর্মাল সাব গ্রুপ অফ G. তো ফার্স্ট আমি প্রুভ করব G কমা নট ইজ আ গ্রুপ. So T10 belongs to Z. A equal to 1 নিয়েছি, B equal to 0. So this is T10 of X is a real number. So this is belongs to Z. So Z is non-empty. This is clear. First, closure property. So not is closed on Z দেখাবো. So let TAB TCD belongs to Z, where A not equal to 0, C not equal to 0. So AC is not equal to 0. So TAB compose TCD of X. This is exactly equal to TAB of TCD of X. TCD of X by definition Cx plus D. So TAB of Cx plus D, and this by definition of TAB, this equal to A is multiplied by Cx plus D plus B is equal to ACX plus AD plus B. So this exactly equal to TAC AD plus B of X. TAC AD plus B, this is belongs to Z. So TAB composition TCD, this is belongs to Z. Hence Z is closed under the composition not. Secondly, we know that composition of mapping is associative. So not is associative on G. And third, T10 belongs to Z, and T10 composition TAB equal to TAB composition T10 equal to TAB for all TAB belongs to Z. In fact, T10 composition TAB of X, this is exactly equal to T10 of TAB of X, this is exactly equal to T of 10 of AX plus B by definition of TAB, and this is exactly equal to AX plus B plus 0 equal to TAB of X. And similarly, TAB composition T10 is exactly equal to T of AB. So the identity element existence proof হয়ে গেল. So T10 here, T10 is the identity element. So let TAB belongs to Z, then A not equal to 0. So we find the inverse of TAB is maps from R to R. Now let Y equal to TAB of X, where X belongs to R. So then AX equal to Y equal to X plus B. So this implies X equal to Y minus B by A. So TAB inverse maps from R to R is defined by TAB inverse of X equal to X minus B by A, where TAB inverse this is belongs to Z as 1 by A is not equal to 0. So now TAB composition TAB inverse of X equal to TAB of X minus B by A, this is exactly equal to A is multiplied by X minus B by A plus B. This is exactly equal to X minus B plus B by definition. So this is exactly equal to X. So this is exactly equal to T10 of X, where X belongs to real number. So TAB composition TAB inverse is exactly equal to T10. So similarly, TAB inverse composition TAB is T10. So this shows that is there TAB inverse is the inverse of TAB in G. So simple calculation. So hence G comma naught is a group. Next, we saw that H is a normal subgroup of G. So first we saw that H is a subgroup of G, then we saw that H is normal in G. So normal subgroup হতে গেলে আগে আমাকে subgroup কিনা চেক করতে হবে, then we saw that H is a normal in G. So clearly T10 belongs to H, so H is a non-empty subset of G. তাহলে let TAB TCD belongs to H, then A equal to C equal to 1. So now TAB composition TCD of X equal to TAB of TCD of X. This is exactly equal to TAB of X plus B by definition of TCD. So this is exactly equal to T1B of X plus D. Here A equal to 1 by definition of H. So this is exactly equal to X plus D plus B. This is exactly equal to T of 1D plus B of X. X belongs to R. So T1D plus B, this is belongs to capital H. So therefore TAB composition TCD, which is belongs to capital H. Next, TAB belongs to H, then A equal to 1. So TAB maps from R to R is defined by TAB of X equal to Ax plus B, where X belongs to real number. So T1B of X equal to X plus B, where X belongs to R. Y equal to TAB of X. Then Y equal to X plus B. This implies X equal to Y minus B. Now TAB inverse of maps from R to R is defined by TAB inverse of X equal to X minus B, where X belongs to real number. So this is exactly equal to T1 of minus B of X, and X belongs to R. So T1 of minus B, this is belongs to capital H. Hence H is a subgroup of G. Then to show that H is normal in G, so let T1B belongs to H and TAC belongs to G. So now necessary and sufficient condition for normality, we show that TAC composition T1B composition TAC inverse of X, this is exactly equal to T1, this belongs to H, will be H. So TAC composition T1B of X minus C by A, by definition of TAC inverse. So this is exactly equal to TAC of X minus C by A plus B. So this is exactly equal to TAC of X minus C plus AB by A. So this is exactly equal to X minus C plus AB plus C. So this is exactly equal to X plus AB. This is exactly equal to T1 AB of X, where X belongs to a real number. T1AB belongs to H, then TAC composition T1B composition TAC inverse, which is belongs to capital H. So hence H is normal in G. Our and N be two normal subgroups of a group G such that M intersection N equal to singletony. Prove that Mn equal to Nm for all small m belongs to capital N and for all small n belongs to capital N. So let's see, M belongs to capital M and small n belongs to capital M. We saw that Mn equal to Nm. That is, we saw that Mn, M inverse, N inverse, this is exactly equal to E. So let's see. Let M belongs, here M belongs to capital M, which is subset of G. So M belongs to capital G. Since capital N is normal in G, small m belongs to capital G, N belongs to capital M. So therefore Mn, M inverse, which is belongs to capital M. Small n belongs to capital M, n inverse belongs to capital M, as n is a subgroup. So M and M inverse belongs to capital M, n inverse belongs to capital N. So M and M inverse n inverse belongs to capital M, as n is a subgroup. Since n belongs to capital M, which is subset of G, this implies n belongs to capital G. So M belongs to capital M, this implies M inverse belongs to capital M, as M is a subgroup. Since M is normal in G, n belongs to G, M inverse belongs to capital M. So M inverse, which is belongs to capital M. Again, small m belongs to capital M, M inverse, N inverse belongs to capital M. So this implies M and M inverse, N inverse, which is belongs to capital M, as M is a subgroup. So from 1 and 2 we have M and M inverse, N inverse, which is belongs to M intersection N. So by the hypothesis, which is exactly equal to singletony, so Mn equal to N. For Mn equal to Nm for all m belongs to capital M and for all n belongs to capital M. Next problem, let G be a group in which AB to the power cube equal to A cube B cube for all AB belongs to G. Prove that H is x cube. H is exactly equal to, say, all such x cubes such that X belongs to G is a normal subgroup of G. Let's see solution. Want to show H is a subgroup of G, and clearly it is a non-empty subset of G. For first of all, let A B belongs to H, then A equal to x cube where x belongs to G, let B equal to y cube where y belongs to Z. Now A B equal to x cube y cube, so this is exactly equal to xy whole to the power cube by definition of G. Since x belongs to G, y belongs to G, then xy which is belongs to Z. So xy whole cube which is belongs to H, hence AB belongs to H. Next, let P belongs to capital H, then P is equal to x cube, where x belongs to Z. So now P inverse equal to x cube whole inverse equal to x inverse or whole cube belongs to H. Since x belongs to G, x inverse belongs to Z. Or H is a subgroup of G. Step 2, H is normal in G. So let A belongs to G, small h belongs to capital H. Then small h is like as x cube where x belongs to G. Now A inverse is exactly equal to x cube A inverse. This is exactly equal to ax A inverse to the power cube by the problem of group properties in previous section. Since A belongs to G, x belongs to G, A inverse belongs to G. So ax A inverse, this is which is belongs to G. Hence H is normal in G.